sorriso era assim quando olhavas para mim.
Today is the first time in a very long time since I've actually gotten ready, put together an outfit. I told Jackie that I was ready to start taking content again, and so we are going to go to a lavender farm. It's gonna be a really fun day. I really hope that the photos come out stunning, and then after that we are going to be ending our day with a little date at the beach to catch the sunset. And then I also packed another outfit in my bag for that to change, just so that I could get as many photos as I can in one day. So many freaking bees. I literally don't know how I'm doing this. Oh my god, so many bees, so many bees. It smells so good. It literally smells like straight up lavender in the air, which I mean, no, I know, duh, I'm in a lavender farm, but still, it's amazing. It's in the air, how that's what it is. Yeah, literally breathing it. It's so good. We're just sitting here relaxing and taking it in. I'm ah! You hear that? Everyone's scared of the bees, but Jackie told me they're way more interested in the lavender than they are in me. So that's the only thing keeping me calm right now. As long as they don't get too close to me, I'll be fine. We're leaving now and we got some fresh lavender. It smells so good. And then we also got a lavender plant to keep in the house. She said that it's gonna grow, and it's an indoor lavender plant, so the good thing is that it won't die. We can keep it for a few years. So the lavender, she said that this one, the one that's more purple, it's an English lavender, and this one you can actually cook with. I've seen a few people put it on ice cubes all over Pinterest, so that's what I'm gonna do to have some pretty drinks with lavender. There goes our plan to go to the beach to catch the sunset, ruined by the rain. Currently at IKEA. How sick is this basket to have like in the living room? I'm gonna grab it. I saw another one and I picked it up, but I'm gonna switch it out because I like the other one more. You guys also know that I'm trying to do the beachy boho vibes for the house, so I'm looking at this chair. I really like it. Might not get it today, but I think it's gonna look stunning in the living room once we eventually get our couch. So this is just inspo. I'm gonna be adding this to my wish list. Jackie's getting inspo for when he does his little man cave room. So he wants a wall, not a wall, but like something like this on the wall so that he can hang like his tools and his fishing gear. So we're also just
I'll say help.
We're also looking into this today. I really like this one. It's a rocking chair, but I'm not so sure about the price though, but I love it. So many new plants for home. We bought some new pillows at IKEA yesterday just to like replace the ones that we currently use, but I also bought these like super big square ones to put them in the back. So we're also gonna be changing the comforter to this one that I bought. We're gonna make the bed and show you guys how everything looks when we're done. So this is what the new sheet for the comforter looks like. I love the fabric. It's like seriously the softest comforter that I've ever touched in my life. My only thing though is that as beautiful as the ruffles are that come down the sides, is that I didn't know that it was gonna be this long and like it touches the floor. So my concern is it getting dirty. So we started experimenting to see how we were gonna be styling it every day so that it doesn't get ready when we make the bed. So we're just honestly gonna tuck them in and try to make them look a little like, just have them dangle like that off the side. It's just gonna be annoying when we're making the bed every day because you know we're usually on a rush. We have to get ready for work, so that's gonna be an extra thing, but it's gonna have to do because otherwise it's gonna stay like this and we cannot have it getting dirty. Back here we have the two big square pillows that we got from IKEA, and I'm just gonna step back to show you guys how good they look. So they're nice and elevated. They're higher than like our regular standard pillows, so they make the bed look really nice and made.